First grade's here, and hopefully your child's ready for the first day of that first grade year. Hi, I'm Debbie Noah, and here's some tips to get your first grader ready for school. First of all, one of the most important things is to talk positively about school. Remind your child that school's important. It's like a job. You have a job, you earn money, their job is to go to school and learn. And it's very important that they understand that and that you have expectations for that. Start your nighttime routine early, about a week before school starts. Get them on their bedtime, their getting up time, getting their clothes ready, getting organized the night before. Can't tell you how much that will help you stay a little less stressed and your first grader. Talk about lunch. What they're going to buy lunch, they're going to take their lunch. If they want to take their lunch every day, I would suggest getting one of these insulated lunch boxes. They're perfect. Be sure you label it. It's got a little water bottle on it. It's perfect for a first grader. Buying school supplies. So important that they come to school prepared and have everything they need. Most school districts have websites where they have a list of what your first grader needs. You can go to your school's office. You can go to your local stores. But my personal favorite from a teacher and a mom is to buy the school supplies prepackaged. A lot of schools' PTAs provide those for each grade level and what that school needs and requires, their teachers need and require. First graders, of course, are going to need much the same thing as kindergartners, a lot of crayons, a lot of glue sticks, good scissors, some spiral notebooks. Those are things that are a little more specific to first grade. The backpack's very important. Don't be tempted to buy the little baby backpacks. They need a big enough backpack to carry their binder and their lunch and anything else they need to have in their backpack. First grade is going to be a little harder, and you need to talk to your child. It's not going to be kindergarten. Kindergarten was a lot of learning. They had some fun, but first grade is going to have higher expectations, a little more work, a little more homework. Prepare them for that so they are not taken back and decide they don't like school anymore. Just say, sorry, it's your job. You need to learn. Hopefully that's going to help you. I'm Debbie Noah. Hopefully your first grader is going to have a first day that's great.